I think there are a couple of reasons for why I choose. I'm currently working in a product management for last several years, but what happened is there is no specific product management curriculum, or you can say the workshop or the courses are not available in India, to be very fair. But when we looked into a very specific dedicated program for product management professionals in India, our expectation was that let's learn this in terms of what the new concepts are coming, because what happened is when you're working in industry for last 15 years and you did your education quite a long time back, there are a lot of concepts which you can learn, and what is going on in industry, you can also get those insights. So I think what happened is when you do MBA, as I mentioned earlier, that there is no dedicated product management curriculum as such, but during your MBA there are multiple concepts, right? So for example, we used to have around 20 courses and product management was one of them. So in 20, when you have product management as one, you are giving almost same preference to HRM, product management, marketing, sales and everything. But when you are into profession of dedicated product management, you need to understand more in terms of those concepts. And this IPL workshop helps to understand those concepts very well. And that is where I think the biggest difference between general management MBA versus a very dedicated specific courses like product management or anything.